I want to show you the way I fillet walleye. By no means am I a professional. This is just the way I do it. It works for me. There's probably no, in fact I know there's an easier way. I just haven't got to it yet, I guess. Anyway, I want to show you guys first. When I first get this is a nice 17-inch fish. Nice table fare. What we're going to do is we're going to take this part off first. Always do the walleye wing first, but I found that before a fish fry appetizer, before you actually get to the actual fish fry, these fry up as a good appetizer. This is your final result over here. Look at all that meat. So anyway, yeah, pretty much an appetizer before the fish fry. So I'm just going to give it a quick scale, because I'm actually going to fry it. When I do fry it with the skin on, just this part, the wing. So you'll notice just a little bit of scales comes off right there. Just give it a quick little once over. Call that good. Alright, so here we go. Make a little incision right underneath the fin right here. Make another one over here, that side, and another one back here. And I'm just going to take that all down. Until I get all the way. All the way through here. Almost done. All the way right here. And there you go. There's a wing. These are the walleye wings. And if you can notice, there's a nice chunk of meat right here. Fry these up. And there you go. And now that we took the walleye wing off, we're going to go ahead and take the fillets off, both sides, and then we'll do the cheeks last. So we're going to switch between the electric and the regular fillet knife. So I'll make 2 incisions, one right here, one right there. I'm actually going to run this knife along the top fin up here just till I hit the top bone. Just a nice, you'll feel it. You see that? I'll come back down this way. I'll come back down this way till I get to the back end where you can actually push the knife. You can push the knife all the way through. Once you push all the way through, take the knife and run it down the back spine. You'll feel the bone and stop right there. And I'll do that same to this side. Here's a better angle. To the top of the fish, poke through, and just run your knife all the way through. Fill in the top of the rib bone. Once you get to about this fin, push it all the way through and just run it down. And then from there, I'll switch back to the electric. Like I said, this is the way I do it. Works for me. And where the fish sits right there is where I actually just buzz through the rib bones. I'll keep that on for right now, and I'll do the same thing through here. Just buzzing through the rib bone. and I'll flip them over and I'll take the skin off. And you'll probably be wondering, like, man, is he gonna take the ribs off? And I am. If you notice over here, I have cold water. And what that's gonna do for me is that's gonna stiffen up that fillet. It's gonna stiffen up that fillet just enough to where I could buzz out the rib bones. So we'll do the same thing on this side. So we got a nice healthy chunky fillet with the rib bones, you might note, but I'll buzz those off right now. Cheeks, but kind of like the wings, they're a nice little appetizer. A little salt and pepper. So there you go. Buzz it. Run your knife down and it actually just peels right off. And that's a little nice little cheek meat. Same thing right here. Pick it up, buzz it around. Once you get there, just peels right off. Peels right off the skin. Right there. So there you have it. Walleye. Pretty much I took off every cut that you could probably imagine. Well, let's get one that's been in the water for a little bit. Down here, this one's been stiffened up a little bit. I'm just gonna show you real quick how I buzz off. I'm just gonna use the electric. I'm just gonna run it down. Like that. I mean, there's a little bit of meat on there, but nothing that we're gonna miss. That's pretty much the ribs, a little bit of meat. And there's your fillet. There's also this pin bone right here that will cook out on a fish fry, but just to be safe, I mean, when you get your fillets, you could actually feel, you could buzz that out right here. You could actually feel it with your knife. So we'll just go along one side of it. And then we'll just take it out. Right here is another on this side of it. Cut that off. Again, a little bit of meat. Feed the kitty cat. There you go. That's a boneless. Let me see. Oop, a little bit right there. Now that's a boneless, skinless fillet. Come over here and just give it a little rinse of those.